It's a little cold outside. It's a little cold outside. It's very hot outside. It's very hot outside. It's cool today, isn't it? It's cool today, isn't it? It's warm today, isn't it? It's warm today, isn't it? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I have to go now. I have to go now. Hello, may I speak to Mr. Kim? Hello, may I speak to Mr. Kim? I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. Could you speak a little louder? Could you speak a little louder? What is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit? I am here for sightseeing. I am here for sightseeing. I am here on business. I am here on business. Please go to this place. Please go to this place. Please turn right at the next traffic light. Please turn right at the next traffic light. Stop here, please. Stop here, please. Excuse me, I have a reservation. Excuse me, I have a reservation. I would like to check out. I would like to check out. With a map showing, I want to go here. With a map showing, I want to go here. May I take your order? May I take your order? 2 fried chicken, please. 2 fried chicken, please. For here. For here. To go, please. To go, please. For here, please. For here, please. Are there any seats available? Are there any seats available? Please have a seat here. Please have a seat here. Excuse me, I would like to order. Excuse me, I would like to order. This is not what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. I would like a glass of red wine. I would like a glass of red wine. Cheers. Cheers. Do you like it? Do you like it? It's delicious. It's delicious. It's a little spicy. It's a little spicy. It's sweet and delicious. It's sweet and delicious. It tastes bland. It tastes bland. It tastes strong. It tastes strong. Which do you like better? Which do you like better? I am full. I am full. Check please. Check please. Let's split the bill. Let's split the bill. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Are you looking for something? Are you looking for something? Where is the cosmetics section? Where is the cosmetics section? I am just looking. I am just looking. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? It's a little tight. It's a little tight. It's too large. It's too large. How much is this? How much is this? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Can you give me a better price? Can you give me a better price? I will take this. I will take this. Where is the cashier? Where is the cashier? I would like to return this. I would like to return this. This is broken. This is broken. Can you exchange it? Can you exchange it? I can't get online. I can't get online. There is no running hot water. There is no running hot water. The toilet is clogged. The toilet is clogged. The power went out. The power went out. Please clean my room. Please clean my room. I would like to send a parcel. I would like to send a parcel. I would like to exchange money. I would like to exchange money. Where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM? Is there a payphone around here? Is there a payphone around here? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? My wallet was stolen. My wallet was stolen. I lost my passport. I lost my passport. I feel sick. I feel sick. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a headache. I have a headache. It really hurts here. It really hurts here. I want to call the embassy. I want to call the embassy. Help. Help. Let me go. Let me go. How old are you? How old are you? I am 32 years old. I am 32 years old. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is hamburger. My favorite food is hamburger. That's right. That's right. Very good. Very good. Not so good. Not so good. My name is Mary Smith. My name is Mary Smith. I am from London. I am from London. Have you ever been to Canada before? Have you ever been to Canada before? This is my first visit to Tokyo. This is my first visit to Tokyo. Is there anyone who can speak English? Is there anyone who can speak English? Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hello. Good night. Good night. See you again. See you again. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.